Hi guys, this is our vlog. Three Sister
Trio
Vlog. For today's guys, may vlog kami ng aking sister.
Kami lang munang dalawa kasi yung kapatid namin ay nasa CR. Ngayon, anong gagawin natin?
Today guys, wait. I need to introduce myself. My name is Altiros and my sister.
And my name is Werlin Kate. Pwede na akong tawagin Chuchay. This is my nickname.
And you can
English
call
daw siya, guys.
And you can call me sometimes Altea or Thea, Tiang. That's no guys.
And me is Chai, Ching, whatever. Kahit anong gusto yung tawag.
That's cute. That's so pretty, guys. Let's go. You wanna go inside? Let's go.
And guys, nakalabas na kami sa kwarto. Nandito na kami sa sala. At ito yung kapatid namin na isa. Ito na yung kapatid
This is
namin.
my sister. It's
Hi
Trio.
guys!
Introduce yourself.
I'm Sophia Faith Arluday.
You can call Sophia, Tia. What else? Let's go, guys.
Pwede rin ng Piyang.
Yeah, Piang. Not Fiang.
Piyang.
Piang. Piang. Now, guys, this is our vlog. My sisters are so very pretty. Guys, and let's go. I'm eating banana, guys, because I'm so hungry. And just go to our friend, my sister, got invited with a birthday. Okay, guys.
What are you doing?
I'm cellphone because I'm bored.
Okay. At dito na magtatapos ang aming vlog.
Please heart this video.
And please follow.
And please share and comment.
Bye.